video, I'm going to show you how to create a tag page. A tag page is a page you will use to collect all in one place all the quotations and notes that you decide to link to that page. The page's title will consist of a statement that expresses an idea that you want to keep track of as you read the assigned texts and take notes about them. This statement will be, as you can see here, at the top of the page, and then everything you link to or tag with this page will show up below as a reference, so that if you decide to write something about the tag page's idea, you can easily look through all the material relevant to it. I recommend that you create your tag pages on the home page that you've created, the page that you have titled The Exam in Life. You don't have to do this, but I think it's a good idea. So the first thing we're going to do is create a page that is simply called Tag Page. And for now, we'll just go ahead and put it underneath this heading Tag Pages on the home page for your Remnote account. So I'm going to hit Return and then Tab, and I am going to write Tag Page. I am then going to turn this into a document by clicking on the three dots and selecting Tag as Document. Next, I'm going to create the first tag page that I want to create. So it is going to be TP for tag page, and the idea is that too much information can get in the way of understanding, which is an idea that we see expressed in the paragraphs from Adler and Van Doren's How to Read a Book that we read, as well as by Seneca in his letter number 2 to Lucilius. So after I've typed out the name of that tag page, I need to turn this into a page. I'm going to click the three dots again, select Tag as a Document again. Now I'm going to go into this page by clicking on the document icon, and I am going to tag this tag page with the page called Tag Page. This will make it easier to find all the tag pages that you create during the semester, just in case you don't remember to put them all underneath that heading of tag pages. So here I am going to do the left square bracket and again hit the left square bracket, and then I'm going to start typing tag page, and this is the one I want, and I'm going to click that. That's right, clicking it is not sufficient. So again, tag page, want to make sure the correct one is highlighted and then hit return. And then when I go to this in the future, there will be references to every single place where I created a tag page.